everybody, it's Christine, and I'm back today with a new layout using another page kit from the ScrapRoom. This one uses the one from Vicky Boughton, I'm not sure how you pronounce her last name. I'm going to just call her Vicky. It is a bright, colorful, beautiful collection, and I really had a hard time deciding which one I wanted to work with first. The one I did last week was Wild Child. I really liked this one too, so I was excited to play with it. Now, I originally set out for this to be one that I made for Scrapbook Adhesives by 3L, but my channel has been a little bit dead lately, and so I decided I wanted to push this ahead and not wait till the end of the month to share it. So I'm doing something else for them, but I wanted to just kind of apologize and say, hey, I am still here. Christmas kept me busy. I had family in town, then I had my 40th birthday, and it's just been non-stop since then, and my son's in basketball season, just so many things that have taken my time. So of course, you know, family and life take precedence over YouTube, so I have had to back away a little bit. But I am back into more of a routine and swing of things, and so you'll be seeing a lot more of me. And in fact, I am going to the Creativation show this weekend in Phoenix, so you'll be catching some of me there as well. Now, what am I doing right now? So I took this yellow patterned paper and I'm just using some white gesso to create a background, just to break up all the yellow. I'm using a paintbrush and a makeup sponge and just spreading it all over the place. No exact technique here, no straight lines, nothing. Just trying to create a smushed up white background to help break up all the colors. This page kit has beautiful colors in it. Yellows, purples, oranges, blues, just all kinds of gorgeous colors going on. And so I really wanted to play those up, but with a bright yellow background, you do need to kind of calm things down just a smidge, and so that's the purpose of that white gesso there. Now you can see I have cut out some flowers. I fussy cut these off from one of the patterned papers in the collection, and I'm going to just use some crafty foam tape from Scrapbook Adhesives on the back of those to pop them up and bring those flowers really to the forefront, right in front of those beautiful girls with their bright clothes on. And then I'm going to bring in some of the black. This page kit has some black pieces in it, and I really like that about this collection. It's kind of unique to throw black in with these bright pops of color, and it just really works well. And so what I have is I have some ephemera pieces from the kit and from the embellishment kit, and I'm going to just work those in. In fact, I'm going to use them even for my title. So there you see I've got a couple circles. Now, right now I've got 3 down there. I'm actually going to shift those later on because they were not working out. It was not working out design-wise. So I'm not going to focus on those too much. But what you will see is I'm going to add on the word love here. That is an ephemera piece, and I'm just going to add that right in the middle there and use that for the title of the whole layout. And you can see it really pops nicely against those bright colored flowers. The tone of the colors on this is just, they're great with the black pops. Now I'm also going to add on a few more little pieces that I also cut out of flowers just to surround the picture, and I'm going to use some 3D foam squares to do that. And then I am going to add on some more words. This layout ended up having quite a few little spots with different little words on it, which I love because I like to have kind of little subtitles and journaling, if you will, because I don't tend to always do a ton of journaling on my projects just because that's just not the part I enjoy. And so I am adding that in using different ephemera pieces, and then I'm going to start creating up there in that right hand corner. Now, you can see right now already where my design is going a little wonky. It is just off balance. Something is not working, and I knew I kind of wanted to go this direction, but something was just not, it was not coming together quite as I wanted it to. So you're going to see me shift that here in a little bit and get more of a diagonal design going on instead of what I've got going on here, which is, I don't know, off kilter. You can see I also added in that little paper clip there, and I'm going to bring in some black now. So I just pulled out the 12 by 12 cardstock that came in the kit, and this one I'm just going to go along the bottom and I'm going to cut a scalloped border. I am not using anything to measure it. I'm not drawing it out beforehand. I'm just freestyling it, and I'm kind of going for the look that, you know, Bella Boulevard used to have those borders like that on their letter stickers. That was what I was kind of envisioning. They don't have it anymore, I don't think. I could be wrong on that. But I do, that's what I was literally envisioning. I wanted a border like that for the top and bottom of my layout. And then I'm going to use a white gel pen to just add on a little bit of doodling and accents because I wanted to make the border pop a little bit more. So all I'm doing is just some little dots and swirls and nothing real complicated, but using a good white gel pen to get the job done. This one I believe is a Reminisce gel pen. I like that one. I also like the Uniball Signo white pen. Both of those work fantastic on black and other dark colors. You do have to go a little slower so that they come out nicely. There's a little bit of a feel to using them, but if you know what you're doing, you can really get some good results using them. Now, you're going to see, as I said, that I'm about to shift my design. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take one of those circles from underneath my flowers and push it up to the top. And so now you can see I've changed things. So it really has a diagonal feel to it instead of being quite so heavy in the center. And then I'm just going to add on a few rub-ons from the kit collection. And these actually come from the embellishment pack, and that will finish it all off and create a perfect diagonal design. So thank you so much for being here today. Be sure to leave me a comment if there's any booths you really want to see from Creativation. I'll try and grab a video of them, and we'll see you again soon.